Let's trolley to Dollywood, a fun and easy guide. The Pigeon Forge Trolley connects Patriot Park to Dollywood and beyond, but this video is all about making the most of your Dollywood trip with this convenient transportation option. The trolley to Dollywood operates continuously throughout the day, starting 30 minutes before the park opens and running until the last guests arrive back at Patriot Park. The Pigeon Forge Trolley app is a must-have for your visit, with features like purchasing all-day tickets, viewing schedules and maps, and even tracking the trolley's live location. You'll have everything you need to plan your day seamlessly. Download the app to make the most of your time in Pigeon Forge. The main parking lot at Patriot Park is here, at 186 Old Mill Avenue. You can also purchase tickets here if you don't have the app. When it's super busy, like it is at Christmas time, you may need to use the overflow free parking that's available at the River Lot at 2936 Teaster Lane, and also the Mountain Lot at 2989 Teaster Lane. Both lots offer convenient trolley stops, but the River Lot involves less walking to the trolley stop. If you park in the overflow lots, take the number 5 trolley to Patriot Park and transfer to the Dollywood trolley, the number 6. From Patriot Park, the ride to Dollywood is a quick 10-minute ride to the front gate. Here's the trolley stop at Dollywood. It is just outside the front gate. Just follow the sidewalk to get to the security checkpoint entrance. For Splash Country, get off at the Dollywood trolley stop. Then walk to the transportation hub to catch a specific tram. Always double check with the park attendant to confirm which tram you need. Not all trams will go to Splash Country. Some of the features of the trolley include $3 for an all-day ticket, easy in and out of Dollywood, save $25 to $45, enough to buy 2 to 3 loaves of cinnamon bread. Avoid busy traffic by being dropped off and picked up at the Dollywood front gate. Well, that wraps up this video for the trolley to Dollywood. Please check out my Dollywood playlist, blog, and Facebook page for lots more entertaining information. Thanks for watching.